Hello, welcome to today's session. Today we're going to be performing a goods receipt purchase order from SAP Business One using BX Mobile Warehouse. So here in SAP Business One, I have a purchase order that I've started to create, and I have an L01 item here, and this L01 item uses SAP Business One warehouses, and I have one warehouse 99 that is bin managed, and I have 5 other warehouses that are non-bin managed. If we go and look here, you can see that this purchase order, I'm receiving this L01 item twice, once into the 99 bin managed warehouse and once into the non-bin managed warehouse, just to show you that you can use BX Mobile Warehouse using SAP Business One bin locations or not using bin locations. It's completely up to you. And I've added this L06 item because we use batch managed items on this, just to show you how we can handle batch or serial numbers within BX Mobile Warehouse. So I'm going to add this purchase order, and now we can go into our goods receipt PO screen here, and this is how we can get to it on our handheld device. And we have find mode up here, so I can load all of our purchase orders and reserve invoices that we can do a goods receipt PO on, or I could filter it by an item, or I could filter it by the actual document number. So you can see here that this will filter our results based off of the search criteria up top. So now I'm going to receive this, and all it's doing is showing the lines just like they are in Business One. So if we go and look here, you can see row 1, row 2, row 3. So there's row 1, row 2, row 3. And at this point, we have an item filter up here where I could actually scan an item. It'll highlight that row. I can scan my quantity. Here I can enter a batch number, or I can generate a batch number. So I have a little algorithm that generates a batch number based off of the vendor code and today's date. I can enter a quantity that we're receiving of that batch, and we can capture the attributes of that batch that SAP Business One can capture, like expiry dates and details and those types of things. So I'm going to add this. You'll notice down here that I can print, so I could print a label for this with that batch information and put it on the box or on the item. And now we can go to our next item. I'll scan that item. It's going to highlight 2 rows here because if you remember, I have a bin managed 99 warehouse and a non-bin managed warehouse on this purchase order. So it highlights the first one that it finds. I hit add here, and then it's saying that I should put it away in 9906. I can actually scan that and put it away in 9901. And again, I can print. I have my units of measure available here. If we have different units of measure that we need to capture, we can do that. And we process our line. So now we can scan our L01 item again. Now it knows that this line has been processed, so it takes me to the next available line here, and I can enter my quantity. Now because this one is non-bin managed, you can see here that it just checked that off saying that I received that one, and it's exposed the print button here for me to be able to print a label for that item right from this screen. I can say that I'm done, and then I can post this document. Now you'll notice that there's a double post option here, and that's because we can do a goods receipt PO that would be for multiple purchase orders, or we can do a one purchase order, one goods receipt PO here. So that's what we're doing today. So I hit post. This message would show up right in my handheld screen saying that I posted goods receipt PO 633. If we go to our purchase order and refresh here, you can see that the purchase order is closed. If we go to the target document, we can see here's our goods receipt PO that's open. And we can go in and we can actually see that we've captured batch information here as well, all using standard SAP Business One transactions, SAP Business One fields, using a mobile device that's very intuitive and easy to use. Should you have any questions about the BX Mobile Warehouse, please ask. Have a great day.